Okay, I want us to go over some of the homework solutions to homework number 8 that you did handed in the first week after the break. So firstly, there was some chain rule problems. So let's have a look at this problem. So we got square root of 4 x squared plus 1 cubed. Okay, and the thing to realize is that's 4x squared plus 1 to the power 3/2. And to do a chain rule, you just let u equal 4x squared plus 1, and then we have s equal u to the 3/2, and we just multiply the derivatives together. So this 8x with that derivative, and this direct derivative, it's 3/2 u to the 1/2. 1/2 is square root, and u, of course, was 4x squared plus 1. And then to tidy it up a little bit, 3/2 times 8 is 12, so it's 12x square root of 4x squared plus 1. Okay. The next problem was a reciprocal problem, I believe. So we had 1 over 1 minus x. So we let u equal 1 minus x, and r equals 1 over u. So the derivatives are -1 and -1 on u squared. Multiply those things together, we get 1 over 1 minus x all squared. Okay, oops. Gotta learn how to do an eraser. Next one was sine squared of x cubed plus 1. And this is a bit of a sneaky one because it's kind of like 3 links in a chain, right? So we want to have u equals x cubed plus 1. Then maybe v equals sine of u. And then finally, we could have f equal to v squared. And again, we just multiply all the derivatives together. So the derivative of x cubed plus 1 is 3x squared. Derivative of sine u is cosine u. And the derivative of f is 2v. Okay, so we get 3 times 2 is 6, x squared. Cosine of u, what's u? U is x cubed plus 1, so that's cosine x cubed plus 1, and v was sine x cubed plus 1. Wow, that looks really complicated, but you can just do these chains, and as long as you've got patience and paper, you can take the derivatives. Question 2, we were asked, you've got f of x to the 6, and so if you take the derivative of that, you just let u equal f of x, and you've got u to the 6. So multiplying those derivatives together, you get f prime of x times 6u, which is f of x to the 5th, right? And then we're told what all the numbers were, right? We were told that f of x is 93, so f of 93 is 2, so we get it 2 to the 5th times 6, and f prime of x there was -4. And if you multiply all those things together, you get minus 768. So, oh, there's a redo button here. No, it doesn't work. Clear all drawings. Okay. Then we were given a whole list of things and asked which one has the same derivative as f. The only one that's there that does is 17 is 17 plus f of x, because when you take the derivative of that, 17 goes away because it's a constant, and you're left with f prime of x. Everything else is different. Okay, I think I'll stop there and then continue on another video.